everybody, welcome back to Sara's Tales. I hope you all are doing well. So, what today am I going to do is I'm going to do cooking. So, what am I going to make today? So, I'm going to make sooji balls. So, it's very tasty and very healthy. So, I hope you guys will enjoy this video.
So guys, let's begin to make our sooji balls.
Let's go! Let's begin with the ingredients. So, the first ingredient which we would be needing is sooji or semolina. So, you can use any type of semolina. So, I'm using 2 cups. Then, we would be needing some vegetables. So, I have taken some onion, 1 onion and carrot. I have taken 1, and then little bit of coriander leaves, 2 green chilies, and 1 teaspoon or 2 teaspoons of ginger. So here's our curd. I have taken 1 cup of curd. This is khatta curd. Then we would be needing 1 cup of water, like 1 cup and 1 cup of water. Then we would be needing salt per taste. Then I'm taking some chili flakes. So my mother made this chili flakes. You have to roast them, then grind it in the mixer. So that's easy chili flakes. Then we would be needing 2 teaspoons of baking soda. So these are the ingredients for sooji balls. Now we would be needing some mustard seeds, then 2 onions thinly sliced, and capsicum, which is 1, and then little bit of coriander leaves for garnishing, curry leaves, and 1 teaspoon of garlic, then 2 or 1 chilies. So this is the ingredients which we are needing for our tadka. So now in a bowl we are going to put our semolina or sooji. So we are going to put our sooji in a bowl. So the next thing is to add a curd. So this is 1 cup of curd. So I'm going to add my curd to our sooji ball, not sooji ball, sooji. So I'm going to add my curd. And now I'm going to add my water also. So my sooji, dahi and water, I'm going to mix it. So I'm going to mix all my 3 ingredients. So mixy.
So after mixing it, I have covered it with a lid and then keeping it for resting for 15 minutes. And now we have kept it for 15 minutes and opened it, and now it's little bit puffed and soggy. Now it's time to add some veggies. So guys, I'm adding a little more water so that it could be little more liquidy to pour it in a pan. That's all. There's no other reason. So if you want to add little more water, you can add, or else just leave it. You think your batter is little more stiff, you can add more water to it.
and heat for some time. Then what we are going to do is we are going to add little bit of oil. So I'm taking 2 tablespoons or 1 tablespoons of oil. Then I'm going to let my oil heat for some time. Then what I'm going to do is guys, I actually forgot to add mustard seeds, but you have to add the mustard seeds. So I forgot to add that, so I directly added the onions. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to add my onions. So first, it's very dark, that's why. But my bowls had enough color, so I didn't add, but you can. Now what I did is I put in my coriander leaves for smell and garnishing. Not garnishing, yeah. So I'm mixing it. So yeah, this was such an easy recipe, right?
So guys, we hope that you like this video, so please make sure to
Like, share and subscribe to Sara's Tales and turn on the notification bell so you would be notified every time we post a new video.
so till then,
Bye bye.